We'll guide you through how to create a slow motion effect in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Then, import the video clip you want to edit by dragging it into the media library or clicking the Import button. Once your video is in the timeline, select the clip by clicking on it. You'll see a toolbar above the timeline with various editing options. Look for the speed icon, which usually resembles a speedometer, and click on it. A speed adjustment panel will appear. Here, you can manually adjust the speed by dragging the slider to the left to slow down the video. For a more precise adjustment, you might want to enter a specific speed percentage, such as 50% for half speed. As you adjust the speed, CapCut will automatically apply the changes to your video, allowing you to preview the effect in real time. If you want to add a smooth, gradual slow motion effect, you can use the speed curve feature. Click on Curve next to the slider and choose from different curve presets, or customize your own by adjusting the points on the graph. This allows you to control how the speed changes over time, giving your video a professional touch. Once you're satisfied with the slow motion effect, don't forget to click Save or Export to render your video with the new settings. Remember to choose the desired resolution and format before exporting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.